Active criminal threat, armed male at large following 3 shootings in town of CBS. Suspect, 31-year-old Matthew Jeremy Fowler, described to be 6 feet and 5 inches tall, 200 pounds, with tattoos around the neck. Fowler has dark hair and brown eyes. Fowler is believed to be traveling in a black Subaru Legacy JFH 710. The RNC is advising the community to shelter in place, remain in your residence, work indoors, with entrances secured, while police search for the suspect. Updates will be provided through RNC social media platforms and local media.
A child abduction alert has been issued in the Madison and Milwaukee area for the following child: Lania R. Hampton, age 17, female, black, 5 foot 4 inches, 120 pounds, black hair and brown eyes. Child was last seen at 1313 John Q. Hammonds, Middleton, Wisconsin, and is missing from Madison, Wisconsin. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Paul Williams III, age 36, male, black, 6 foot 6 inches, 244 pounds, black hair, braided hair, brown eyes, and possible beard. Tattoo sleeves on both arms. Subject is possibly on crutches. They may be traveling in a 2019 black Chevy Malibu sedan with Wisconsin license plate AMP7217. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Lania R. Hampton, please contact City of Madison Police Department at 855-237-3262.
This information
with a chance of rain showers. Waves 4 to 6 feet. Local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of Lake County Emergency Management. A situation has occurred requiring emergency response actions to Baldwin Community Schools as to ensure the maximum possible safety for the site and community. Area police and responders are on the scene to assess and manage the situation. Please do not respond to the school. Students will be transported to the Yates Township Hall for reunification and pickup. Address is 6437 South, Nelson Road, Idlewild, Michigan. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 672 in Wolf Lake.
Weather Channel forecaster Chris Warren.
Hurricane Fiona will hit Nova Scotia Friday night with damaging winds, heavy rain, and dangerous storm surge. Stay indoors. Avoid the coastline and rivers. Charge devices and have enough supplies for at least 72 hours. Listen for further updates from officials. Severe flooding along the northern shoreline of PEI is expected during Hurricane Fiona. Immediate efforts should be taken to protect belongings. Avoid shorelines. Waves and surf are extremely powerful and dangerous. Residents in those coastal regions should be prepared to move out of the area if needed. Contact local authorities for support.